If you are facing the problem that WhatsApp photos are not showing in your mobile, then this video will help you, because in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily fix the problem that WhatsApp photos are not showing in your mobile gallery. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp, and here you have to click on three dots on the top right corner, and then click on settings, and then here you can see chats option. Click on it, and here you have to turn on media visibility option. Here you can see I have turned off and now I can turn on. It is necessary to keep it turned on to download your photos in your mobile. And the next step, you have to go back and just scroll down, and here you have to click on storage and media, and here you will see mobile media auto download. At the bottom you can see media auto download. Here you have to do three things. First, open when using mobile data and select photos, and now you have to click on when connected on Wi-Fi and again select photos. And now if you select these two options, and you can also select third option like photos, and if you have selected these options, then your all photos will be automatically download and appear in your mobile gallery. So guys, in this way you can easily fix the problem that WhatsApp photos are not showing in your mobile gallery. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.